Epa lagunok ongetorri Lastotxaplen kanalera, ongetorri Warhammer End Times berminten bi honetara, ongetorriak jarraitzak leheten guztioi Euskaradak izun ere bai, eta hemen gaude Sienaren gela honetan, eta begira hemen daukagu gure ohe eta zenbait liburu eta bar beste gunean kerirenekin dutu ginen azkenengo hogeita hamazgarren nivel horretara eta gaur batuko dugu dela zeatzen azken mapa ea pertsonekin egiteko aukera dugun ala ez aldatu dugu hau hemen zatzen gana zen hau ea pertsonen bat topatzen dugu a ber, botekin egin dugu berdina jendea ez dago txarto.
I hope you like skipping merrily through the forest, because that's where you're going next. I'm sure it'll be fun, but as well as destroying the Ratman Doom Wheels, be sure to find me that hidden rune. Don't disappoint me. I wouldn't like that, and nor would you.
Topatzen dugun hemen gure Sienarekin. Pantaiatik olez nahiko geldo doa, baina hori izatez berdin zaigu eta horrela azken hau mapa hau jatzeko izango dugu, ez dakit gaindituko dugun edo ez, baina gertatzen dela medio ikusteko gero hori izango dugu. Espero dut partida
I'm tougher than I look, darling.
Vale, tú también vas a ganar eso, no, son...
Poorly winded, Fibber.
Anyone need a healing drop?
That's my blood.
Oso ondo ez gara hasia, gerrilan gainera robota da.
Brought our weather. Always falling behind.
Listen, fire rat. There, gas rat.
No, such vileness.
Hanging by a thread here.
You need aid, Fibber.
stealth trooper. Rally front, look out!
Vale, joder, todavía.
Come on! You need to reach this bridge!
This way looks promising.
Lost beyond words.
Well, looks like our elf isn't as eternal as we thought. No, that sounds...
They're swarming!
Scunnerly, no lumber fatigue.
Right, we've unleashed by the sound of it. Good enough, these men! Sealed up, one pillar of the Empire, reporting missing. Ross big friend.
Run! That thing's gonna blow!
Face it together, stay close.
Gunner's dead. Tend your wounds, Ward.
Yeah, this doesn't look good, does it?
Ia beste partida jokatu nahi duten, ez mapa honetan beste batean edo, bueno, tokatzen dena. Bueno, tokatzen da segun mapa hau, ba, bueno, jokatu dezaket hasieratik.
If I'm not mistaken, Morrslieb's even larger than during the Ubersreich scuffle.
zergatzen zigun, segurazki kaka. La partida es cargada.
Heard something strange.
Pardon? Back in Uber's right. Gold can get lost.
Ah, vale.
Raining cats and dogs go along with ratmen and Northlanders, I suppose.
Ya se edo agian hobeto ziena norberrekin. Susko bide bat irekitzen duena, Bueno, horren aurrera partida bat. Kerillen orengo zuzu gara beliko. Partida baten erdian, espero dut ezetz. Vale, ziko gara hasieratik. Ja zen mapa tokatzen zaigu, baina guztia jo bat ditugu eta garaitu ditugu, beraz, azurik ez. Eta egunen baten zatuko naiz jokatzen nivel altuago batean, hau da erdiko nivela nola esateko. Bazen aurrera...
Take your time, not like the Reichland's burning.
Vale, justo resultado bat.
A large chunk
vale,
of Clan
vale.
Festa are currently camped down in the ruins of Karak Knoll. Now, Skaven are paranoid little buggers, so you're going to sneak in, kill their warlord, and watch the chaos unfold. I'd love a full-scale civil war, but at the very least, I think we'll delay the work on the Skittergate. Oh, don't look at me like that. You know you'll enjoy it once you're there.
You reckon the Skaven will fall for this again, mates?
I doubt the result will be as spectacular as in Uber's Rake. I think we need to kill an even bigger ratty for that.
Oh, sneaking, eh? Yeah, we'll see about that.
The righteous and true need fear no pain.
It's clever stuff, this dwarfcraft, isn't it?
Potion over here! Pack of fanatics coming in! Drive them back!
Hack him down! Radiate wind! Try hitting the head!
Fast meat!
My tar, fire rat!
Healing draft here!
We'll fire throw it out of it.
Get it off!
Vamos a tirar reina.
Anyone fancy a potion?
That's right, Truman! Let your training show!
You'll do me for the trail of That's a lot of carnage so far. Ask me about me when you fight again. One ribald rapscallion!
Estás a punto que ya o...
Healing draft! Over here!
Here, the bridge! A magic leash! That's what I'll put on them. I'll set that hook rat ablaze!
Dive, Packmaster! You will trouble us no more! Healing draft! Ha! Strangler! Strangles no more!
Oh, Bardi, not the healing!
Death comes easily to you, Saltfire.
I bring death where death is needed.
Join me in righteous slaughter!
Already with you, sir. Just haven't matched your speed yet. Paul's gift, a healing drop.
You girl on a shield, Ricky!
Fight them together. Stay close.
Blood everywhere! And another one! Receive the judgment of Sigma!
Legion!
Vale, guazen.
More potions over here.
Take some killing that one. Didn't feel a thing. Reckon I'm done for. Sigma, bless this shot! That was a bit close. It's not bug buns, I'll tell you that.
I drink this from need, not desire.
That did it. Always clear. Stand ready.
It's a fire rat!
Over here. That's a gas rat. Someone kill that rooting straggler. Ha! One less Rakiza.
Gas rat's dead.
Loot rat's dead. Some more ammunition here.
I see you, shield vermin! All right! Fight!
Hold the line, mate. Oh, blessed shot! Aha, you're moving! Bring the lassie! I'm a bit strangled! A foul wrestling! Healing drop! Over here! Rattling dead, Jack, was it?
Don't just stand there! Move!
A righteous blow, Claw. Your ancestors must have fought alongside Sigma.
My ancestors fought alongside everyone, Grimgi, and with each other. Let's have it. Life's hard everywhere, Barney. Kill that globadier!
Caca.
Hold your breath, Rory. Plague monks.
Ugh, I suppose that's my blood. Need a hand.
Bueno, siinä eikin ne ei ole praktikatu varkoon nyt. Äsken mahiaren serakista on. Venga, ya falta sitten.
I'm an horse, Jenny. Bloody horse. Kill that gas rat! The wizard! Look, the wizard! Have a doorway. I'll have to do more than that.
No, se on sitten.
This potion better it fast. Follow me through the door.
I'm tougher than I look, darling.
Te lo apertura a la sagatilla.
Mind the shielded ones!
Ahora.
Can't fault your bigger, Dory. This is a dory hole, not a racky nest.
You missed all of this war. Now that takes a special talent.
Aye, well, I've done that enough to drink. That's the trouble. Assassin! Gutter runner! These stairs go
Estellä
up.
syöguarekin engolut. Pum.
Be careful! Gas rat!
Ardi.
This won't take long, Bardin.
Easy, son! Rocket! No! Elias, helm a globadier! This is our moment! Make them pay! Twice the glory!
kill. We get it, boss. You're tough. Now heal. I spent my blood willingly. Yo, well, boy, so that's how it is. There's only a scratch, son of a patched up. You hear out, Glory? You terminated our contract, sir! What with you shooting me, I mean? Box of ammunition over here! Fortune here. I can't vouch for a taste.
I'll burn you! Shield on! Wildfire thrower!
Just enough, please, says Howell. The backlash is done for! Screams off her surface. I know, I'm uncooked.
That's you healing up nicely, soldier.
One moment. Plague Racky coming to say hello. Are you ready? It's not broad enough. Double the discipline. Run, Roman.
Loose old pepper.
Pieces! Gas back! Gas attack! Watch out!
Gun ready!
Right, he's on it! Pushing the point, look out! And you don't! That's it! The rattling gunner died!
To me, my flames! We've a warlord to incinerate!
Vale, Siena, tío Juan se ya puro.
Ammunition here!
Cargato. Relaxio, vale.
Ow! That one was deeper than I thought.
There's enough here to bind me head to foot.
That all you got?
Assassin!
This way! Help me! The assassin's on me!
Skaven gun rat!
Healing tools if you're feeling weak, Trengarazi. Rattling gunner's dead!
Darlings, give an old woman a moment.
Hang about! Let me stitch my leg back on. Dory, looks like we found ammunition.
Vale, orain nagusiaren
Scarlet blood from Mother's nut, but grass.
That's armor's war for the head, please.
Always with nothers but the head.
Reach out for me. Grimgy, this is right up my thing. Come on, smash it in.
That's a real red hot move, darling.
Slash, slit, hot down. Man cannot find us. Scissors.
That sure don't wasn't.
Whoa, slow down, Bardin. Leave some for the rest of us.
Naughty, that'll be a problem, Sharon. They're like fleas in a Italian airline. With this shot, I abjure thee!
Mountain assassins.
gutxi falta zaio.
It hurts. You're more racky to kill, Sergeant.
Thick spies. Slash, man, climb take.
Anyone have some healing? Or an arm they ain't using?
No! Think you're clever, do you?
Big Tom, nice finish! Did I end? No, I will not. I will! You ailing, sir? We can take the moving platform out of here. Tell you, Momenting gave an anarchy dirty work. That's a plague unpack. Just a fine thing! Don't let me die with my boots on.
Heal yourself, Marcus, now!
Zigarren nivel helduko gara. Kutsatze bat izango dugu. Celine. Vale.
Raining cats and dogs, eh? To go along with Ratmen and Northlanders, I suppose.
Bueno, es que tengo jugatu dugu ya bideoari ya nora beratzen gaitu. Nola bidezun apurro zeago, baina bueno, orden zaigu.
Stop me if you've heard this one before, but the Ratmen have raised a bloody great bell up on Helmgart's ramparts. Crazy little buggers will worship anything near as I can tell. Problem is, there's no way to know if this is a purely ceremonial lump of bronze or a lodestone for our Grey Seer's magic. We'll have to destroy it, just to be safe. And by we, I mean you.
A vermin-cast bell defiling Imperial ground is unacceptable. It is a symbol of corruption and must be destroyed.
If the ratties want a bell, that's reason enough to take it away, darlings.
Oh, there's a bell here, Dory. Oh, then let's get marching. Ain't that a beautiful shot? Who's grabbing that box? There's an assassin close by. Nice, that's another down.
Sigmar is our shield and our flaming sword.
Plague ratties! The fires will set them dancing!
Well, they're on the attack now. Bloody gunbuster!
Sigmar, bless his jacket!
Wow! Felt that one!
This looks like the way down.
Reaching!
We'll get them all out, boy. Right here, right
That's no ordinary flame! Look out!
now. There, no more fire rats.
Plague fanatics incoming! The poorest of Helgard's districts. Still much ground to cover. Have a care! Hold back! The Packmaster is slain!
Senhora.
Healing grant here! Sigmar curse you! Keep up!
Healing draft over here.
Guardado.
Healing draft here.
Healing draft. Don't squander it.
Healing elixir. Side by side, face them together. There's a gas rat close by. It's lovely. Twice the glory.
Gas breath flowing! Bombs away!
long story.
Right stomach!
Beach incoming.
Raise Sasana!
I think it's this way. This is where we stand and they fall.
Well, I'm impressed, Sienna. You're a natural at killing.
Receive the judgment of Sigma! Just as time say! I have failed you!
You ailing, sir? Yes, right in the box.
Now, coming, sir. Keep the faith. I have you, sir.
So these are the rich folk? Venerable gobble! Not that stretching in my mistake. Scats do me!
Good.
I can't take much more, darling.
You're no good to us dead, Sienna.
Oh, ammunition!
Ooh.
Up here, Gory! Ah! Fit to hell! Chop 'em to bloody pieces! Gory! That is no more! Hook! Assassin!
That's the drop. Strangler! Over there, kill it!
Good enough, he says, Owl! Here's a healing draft!
A good kill, sir. But keep your elbow up. The guard's open.
You dare!
Vaya, Arturo, mira, vamos. A la horrera.
Didn't feel a thing. Potion here! Oh, nothing Hang on! Dead, not alive!
I smell some ammunition. Grab those bandages, Dory.
Over here! Quickly now! Listen, Sigmar. That last blow went deeper than I thought.
No me jodas.
I found aid! Medical supplies here! I think that's a Globadeer.
Vile thing! Look out!
That sounds like a bat.
Someone grab those bandages. It's a damn Kasaki, do that
Ni bestia, papá.
Snake rat is dead.
Medical supplies!
Incoming!
Look! Kill that Globadeer!
Rollers! That stings! Okay, on it goes.
Mira, subo acá, tengo las sogas.
Holy justice! The liar's dainty ears are here to kill!
I unleash black powder. Thanks, wizard.
There's so many of them! There's ammunition here!
Die, rat! That's one for telling egg meat!
I hear a Globadeer!
Chaos Warriors, to my side! Roar, mighty duo! Hope you've strength enough to bring the bell down, Dory. You know I have.
Still standing, dung licker! Poke your head out from behind that shield, Ratty!
Blackfire up ahead!
You need to parry, sir.
Ready!
I'm a force of the flame! Going down!
Kindness, silence. I shall end thee.
Medical supplies! Kazaki-do!
Can't feel my hands. I need healing.
Fall! Foul abomination!
Up, Dogfire. Can't carry you. Surely you've seen enough for another round.
Caca. Justo caerán.
We felt better.
Let someone help you, wizard.
Need a hand, girl.
Venga, ya, a ver. Vale, esto de un dragón.
Transport your vigatory! Life, fight on! For the love! Grimgate initiative!
Esto va a durar.
Do not let that bomb go to waste.
Chartegon. Bueno, lagun no kauizan da den, eso dugu zaizule, torrengoan gehiago